Hey guys, what's up? Just heading out. Wanted to show my latest Paracording and EDC update. As always, I got a knife in my left front pocket. I'm going to have a knife in my back right pocket. Today it's the Techno and the Select Fire. And then also, just recently I decided to start carrying a little fixed blade. Mostly because this guy right here, I saw a video about wrapping an Esee Izula handle. So, went downstairs, grabbed my Izula. Use this puppy hard. Edge is pretty fucked up. That's kind of why I like to keep it on me. Here's my paracord wrap I did. This knot at the end has no rhyme or reason to the design of it, but function wise, it's a pretty small handled knife. And that nub there actually is really sweet for extra little grip. Security in your hand, gives your pinky somewhere to go. Usually there's nowhere to put your pinky on this knife. This way it feels a lot more secure. And after I wrapped it, I really liked it. Wanted to carry it. So I did this fucked up paracord wrap job on the sheath so that it would go around my belt. And then yeah, keep it right in front like that. It kind of just blends in my belt and shit. And yeah, then I got kind of a hard use knife for situations like if I need to cut something where I know my blade is going to come in contact with some kind of metal or steel. After you cut it, you just like slam it on some kind of metal. This is what I'll be using. Last I used it was to take staples out of something. So don't really care if I fuck this guy up. That's why I'm carrying it. And yeah, if I don't want to chip the edge on my $300 knives that I carry, whip this little guy out, beat the shit out of it, and I love it. It's pretty sweet. You can see my wall has been decorated by my daughter. She's quite the artist. If you have little kids, washable crayons are the shit. Looks really bad right now, but that shit just wipes off with water and paper towel. Leaves no stains or nothing. A little off topic, but whatever. Anyway, that's what I got going on. Since I've done that, I've really liked having a third blade on me, so I purchased a Browse Blades Silent Soldier version 1, and I got the all black Cerakoted one because the sheath system he has works perfectly for this spot, and it's a little, I don't know how big it's going to be compared to this, but according to Shenanigan Long Colt, he was talking about carrying his Silent Soldier around, and he said it's pretty awesome for that kind of carry, so I got one and can't wait to get it and carry it. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. See you later.